Gelato is a combination of whole or reduced fat, milk, eggs, sugar, and natural flavoring, usually fresh fruit and sugar. It is similar to ice cream, but lower in fat. Ice cream tends to be 10% to 20% fat, while gelato is 8% or less. Gelato is softer and has more intense fruit flavors, like a sorbet but more creamy, like ice cream. Ingredients and equipment: 2 cups milk, whole, low-fat or non-fat, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup fat-free powdered milk, 8 eggs, yolks only needed, 1 cup light cream, half and half or fat-free half and half, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3 cups of prepared fruit, strawberries, peaches, raspberries, mangoes, or whatever you have, 1 ice cream maker, 1 large pot, 1 wooden or plastic spatula. Heat the milk, sugar, and powdered milk in a large pot, 4 quarts or larger, with a heavy bottom for even heat distribution. Mix the fat-free milk, sugar, and powdered non-fat dry milk. Bring the mix to a low simmer over medium heat and stir to dissolve the sugar, then turn the heat down and just keep it warm. Separate 8 egg yolks. Separate the egg yolks from 8 large eggs. Pour the egg yolk mix into the pot of hot milk. Then pour the egg mixture back into the pot of hot milk and increase heat to medium. Stir the mixture constantly until the mixture is thickened, like gravy. Check with an instant read thermometer, like the ones with a probe. Step 7. Add the light cream and vanilla and refrigerate. Stir in light cream, half and half or non-fat, half and half and vanilla. Cover and pop into the refrigerator for at least 6 hours before continuing. Prepare the fruit. Well, what kind of gelato do you want? This is the time to decide. You can add almost any fruit you have. If you want vanilla, you already have it. Just pop the mix into the maker. If you want chocolate ice cream, just add your favorite chocolate syrup, such as Hershey's or Nestle, to the mixer as it thickens. For a fruit flavor, well, some fruit work better than others. You get best flavor if you puree the fruit first in your food processor or blender. So obviously, fruits like strawberries, raspberries, mangoes, figs, and peaches are ideal for this, while apples, coconuts, and pomegranates might not be such a good choice. To prepare the fruit, just prepare it as you would for eating, then blend it in your food processor or blender for a few minutes. Here are some tips. Peaches and nectarines: remove skins, pits, and bruised areas. Strawberries: remove the cap, the green parts. Raspberries: just wash them. Blackberries: I like seedless, so I wash them and then run them through a Foley food mill to remove the seeds. Figs: remove stems and bruises. Mangoes: peel and cut the flesh off the stone. About 45 minutes before you want to serve the gelato, stir the milk or cream mixture together with the pureed fruit. Stir it up well. Remove the freezer bowl and pour the milk, creamed, or fruit mixture into the freezer bowl. Put the bowl in the cream maker. Fire up the ice cream maker. Turn the ice cream maker on and let the maker work until it is thickened, about 20 to 25 minutes. If you are making chocolate gelato, this is the time to add the chocolate syrup. I add about 1-2 cup of chocolate syrup, but both the variety and amount are a matter of personal taste preferences. You can tell when the gelato is done by simply checking the consistency through the opening on the top of the ice cream maker. You will also hear the motor straining as the gelato freezes. When it is done, the gelato should have a soft, creamy texture. Gelato should be stored in a freezer that is just below freezing, say 30°F, or else it will become harder. You'll need to thaw it and hand whip it back to smooth and soft. Once it reaches the consistency you like, it's time to eat. That's it. Bon appétit! That's all the information that we have for you today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's episode, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you never miss out on future episodes. And be sure to also tell us what you think about today's content. Everyone's support motivates us to continue delivering quality content and to always improve. As always, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.